Welcome to Grade 9 Science! In today's activity, students will go outside where they'll be performing a scavenger hunt and taking pictures of abiotic and biotic factors that they can find in the school ground or alternatively in their own backyard. You can ask your students to photograph a variety of factors that you would find in their natural environment. You can be really creative with this. Although each student is looking for the same abiotic and biotic factors, the photos that they will end up taking will be very different from one another, so there will be a lot of variety and a lot of creativity involved in the process. After students are finished with the scavenger hunt, they will go back to the classroom where they will create their own Word documents illustrating whether the factors that they captured with their photos were abiotic or biotic in nature. Students will be expected to justify their reasoning as to their choices of abiotic and biotic categories for the photos that they took, and they'll also be expected to use the information to construct their own infographic, which could be a concept map or it could be a Venn diagram that would include information about both abiotic and biotic factors and how they influence one another in terrestrial ecosystems. This links to the curriculum in the strand of biology, specifically B3.1, which encourages students. Did you hear that? That was a squirrel. B3.1 encourages students to investigate abiotic and biotic factors and compare them in sustainable and non-sustainable ecosystems. So after completing this project, students will also investigate a case study of a non-sustainable ecosystem, and they'll talk about the abiotic and biotic factors of that place and what would happen if one of them were removed or changed greatly, and how that affects the ecosystem in general. In Grade 9 Science, we encourage our students to be critical thinkers and to relate science to technology, society, and the environment. Allowing students to go outdoors to make their own observations in science class inspires creativity and a new perspective to the world around them. I hope that this video inspires you to connect science and nature.